Hello, my dear customer. How are you? My name is Sammy from Boyue All Limited. Today, I just want to introduce our custom order, the CNC spare parts, and also the tools. And first, please have a look at this. This is the Collets. Our customer ordered the different sizes from the year 16, and also the year 25, and also the year 35, 32. So please have a look at this. From the different sizes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until to 14, the year 25 until to the 20 and 25 and 32. So different sizes of the Collets we have for supply. This customer order this the full complete. So also the spanners you can see the year 13, the year 13 too, and also the year 16 and the year 25, and also the tool holder devices. These devices mainly used to fix the tool holders. So this was also used for the BT40. If you have any questions about the tool holders and also the spare parts, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.